another video. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing Elixir of Truth, which is my collab with Woolly Wizard Beard Co., which, as you're watching this, just launched yesterday on my live stream. I'll have that link down below if you missed it. Yeah, this is now live. Check it out down below. And I just got mine today. It's Monday. Unboxing this, and then you'll see this after the launch. Yeah, subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a like on this video. Comment down below if you picked this sign up. Yeah, let's get into it. Alright, use code TRUTH15 to save 15% on this and anything else from Woolly Wizard. Subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a like on this video. Comment down below what you thought if you picked this up. Yeah, let's get started. Alrighty, so Woolly Wizard's owner is named Tyler, based in London, Ontario. Small batch handmade men's grooming products. Products sold include beard oil, beard butter, beard balm, soap, and merch. Next, let's talk about the ingredients for the beard oil and the beard butter. Alrighty, so for the beard oil, it's jojoba oil, apricot oil, hemp seed oil, meadow foam seed oil, sweet almond oil, and then fragrance oils for scent. And then the beard butter is shea butter, cocoa butter, jojoba oil, apricot oil, hemp seed oil, meadow foam seed oil, sweet almond oil, fragrance oil, and beeswax. Alright, next let's unbox this. Alrighty, so this is the first time that I've seen the labels in person. Tyler did send me some photos recently. I know these look awesome. I'm excited to actually see them in person. Alrighty, then we got classic Woolly Wizard presentation. Papery wood chips on top, keep everything safe. Then we got the oil and the butter. Alright, here we go. Here they are. Black and white, really cool labels. Woolly Wizard, Elixir of Truth. Got my logo right there. Super dope. And this one is maple, cedar, bourbon, leather, and campfire. Made in London, Ontario, Canada. And then one more time, the ingredients for the oil: jojoba oil, apricot oil, hemp seed oil, meadow foam, seed oil, sweet almond oil, and fragrance. Yeah, this looks awesome. 1 ounce restrictor top. Super cool. Really like the way these labels turned out. Tyler designed these. And there we go. There's the beard butter. Set profile on the side as well. Ingredients right there, which are shea butter, cocoa butter, jojoba oil, apricot oil, hemp seed oil, meadow foam seed oil, sweet almond oil, castor oil, beeswax, and fragrance. Made in London, Ontario. Elixir of Truth, beard butter, maple, cedar, bourbon, leather, and campfire. Yeah, so there they are. Oh, so good. I definitely get the maple initially, and the leather I would say. Cedar's there too. Campfire's in the background, at least in container. So good. Heck yeah, so there we go. Let's wrap up this video. Alrighty, so the Elixir of Truth, my collab with Woolly Wizard Beard Co. is available now. Use code TRUTH15 to save 15%, as well as anything else from Woolly Wizard. Awesome scent, really good scent duration as well. Let me know down below if you order this scent. If you have Instagram and you do a post or do a story, tag me and I'll reshare it. Yeah, shout out to Tyler for wanting to work with me on this one. Yeah, this has been a year in the making, so I'm excited to finally have them here, to have them launched as you guys are watching this. But yeah, subscribe if you haven't already. Check out Woolly Wizard down below. Leave a like on this video, leave a comment, share it out. Thanks for watching. I'll be back for more soon. Peace.